How to hide friends list on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your Facebook friends list from others step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the gear icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings and privacy section, you simply have to scroll down, and there under the audience and visibility, you simply have to tap on the option that says followers and public content. And now here in this section, you can see the option that says who can see your followers on your timeline. So here you simply have to tap on it, and by default it's usually set to publics or friends. So there, if you want to set it private, then you simply have to select only me to hide your friends list from everyone. And here once you're done selecting it, you simply have to tap on save to confirm it. And that's it. Once you do that, now your friends list will be hidden from others, and people can still see mutual friends but not your entire list. And that's how you can hide your friends list on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.